New tonight, the healthcare community is now seeing the impact after Nashville nurse RaDonda Vaught was convicted in the death of a patient for a deadly prescription drug mix-up. News 2's Stephanie Langston spoke to a nurse today who is now resigning following the guilty verdict, I should say. Stephanie joins us live outside of St. Thomas with more details on this decision, Steph.
Well, Annie Kirby tells me she's worked at a number of Middle Tennessee hospitals as a registered nurse, most recently here at St. Thomas Hospital for Specialty Surgery.
I turned in my notice last Wednesday.
It was a difficult decision for Annie Kirby, a single mother who's been working in the nursing community for nearly 15 years.
Primarily worked in intensive care unit settings, neuro ICU, cardiac ICU, PACU, surgical and medical ICU.
It was a passion she fell into early on, with nursing becoming part of Kirby's identity.
I've been called into medicine since I was little and really enjoy helping people and getting the opportunity to make a difference in their lives and using my skills and knowledge to do that.
A calling she has reluctantly stepped away from after a jury found former Vanderbilt nurse RaDonda Vaught guilty on 2 counts, including criminally negligent homicide for a fatal medication mix-up.
I didn't think they would convict her. It was emotional. So then I thought, well, what next? This is a very slippery slope. If I forget to put a bed rail up and walk out of the room and my confused patient gets up and falls and ends up dying from that, am I facing criminal charges? Because we were short-staffed and overwhelmed and I just forgot.
The thought that she could be held criminally accountable scared Kirby out of her career.
But I didn't go into nursing thinking that I could be arrested and placed in jail, taken away from my family and everyone that I love.
And she says she isn't alone. She posted her concerns on social media, along with her decision to leave the nursing field, and a number of others responded that they are doing the same.
The response was overwhelming. Multiple people said yes, they had left altogether. Many more are leaving bedside or have already left bedside nursing.
Now, Kirby says the repercussions in this case are a wide range, impacting anyone that's seeking health care. I'll have more on that part of the story coming up on News 2 at 5. Reporting live from Midtown, Stephanie Langston, News 2.